at the new boat ramp on Perdido Bay, and just trying to give you guys a look of it in the area that it's in. Kind of neat. A lot of wind today. I was hoping to get Schmidt drone up in the sky. I don't know if that's going to happen. Man, this is beautiful out here. Absolutely beautiful. The ramp's nice. It's just a nice ramp. Walk down this way. Trying to keep Gator from peeing on the new dock. I don't want that to happen. So it looks nice. Kind of like it. A lot of people out here checking it out. Nice boat ramp. I'm not gonna tell anybody though. Call we Gator. So just give you another view of this place. I'm not sure of the hours. I'm about to check that out. Hopefully it's open at night. Pretty neat place. Looks like a nice little walking area over here. Check it out. Ran into some people. They had a dog and we were talking to them for a little while, and you know, it was just fun chatting with them. And gonna walk through here and see what we got going on down this little pathway. Looks like they're gonna keep developing this. Hopefully this goes out on the bay. We'll see what we got over here, and we'll check it out. Now it looks like they got a little stage looking thing back here. That's pretty interesting. Some poles up. Maybe they're gonna do music or something. Maybe a pavilion. I don't know. Pretty cool. Looks like they got some ideas for future use of this area. So pretty neat. So walking on back in here. Gator's trying to walk me. I'm gonna put a stop to that. Come on, Gator. He's excited out here in this new area. I don't know who whose idea this was, brainstorm this place was, but it's pretty neat. Looks like they got a boardwalk back here. You can check that out. See what it looks like. Don't know if it's closed or not yet, but let's see what's going on. Wow, pretty cool. Little walkway onto a patio or something, I don't know. Huh. Maybe that's where they're going to put some bathrooms. Something like that. That's pretty cool. And we're coming on to the Perdido Bay area. Little white caps out there. Pretty nice though. We brought the boat back over here before, oh gosh, months ago, and checked out the boat ramp just when they were starting it, so it's pretty neat. Got a bunch of water here. I don't know what's going on with that, but of course gators are going to jump right in. Get out of that water, boy. Come on. Yep, pretty sure it's salt water. Anyway, pretty neat. You gonna launch today? Yeah.